guys, welcome back to my channel, Improve Your Pronunciation with Jonna. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button or visit my channel to check more pronunciation videos. In today's video, we will practice sound number 11. Are you guys ready? So let's get started. Again, sound number 11, it's another vowel sound. Now, to produce this sound, you should open your mouth a little and relax the jaw and place your tongue in the middle of your mouth cavity. It will gonna give you the sound ah. One more time, it's not ah, it's just ah. Very good. Again, just open your mouth a little and your jaw should be relaxed. A for accuse, A for alone. Now let's practice more. Let's start from number 1. Common. Food delivery is getting more common in this area. Common. Food delivery is getting more common in this area. Number 2. Accuse. He was accused of causing the crime. Accuse. He was accused of causing the crime. Number 3. Alone. I was left alone at home for a week. Alone. I was left alone at home for a week. Number 4. Police. She called the police after the accident. Police. She called the police after the accident. Number 5. Protect. Parents should protect their children from all sorts of dangers. Protect. Parents should protect their children from all sorts of dangers. Well done. Now let's move on to sentences. Let's try faster this time. Okay, number 1. Let's walk around the park. Let's walk around the park. Greg is an important customer. Greg is an important customer. I like colorful balloons. I like colorful balloons. This is a great machine. This is a great machine. I like to travel across the world. I like to travel across the world. Autumn is my favorite season. Autumn is my favorite season. Have you eaten breakfast yet? Have you eaten breakfast yet? I like to travel with my family. I like to travel with my family. There are a lot of foreigners in this city. There are a lot of foreigners in this city. Call the police immediately. Call the police immediately. Very good. Okay, so I hope you enjoy the practice today and please keep on practicing. Again, remember practice is the key to improve your pronunciation, so keep on practicing. See you guys in my next video. Enjoy watching. Have fun. Bye.